Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. So I have not been so active on this channel, but I do plan on changing that, and my goal is to make 2 videos consistently a week on this channel. So you can expect 2 videos weekly from this channel going forward. And those videos will of course cover some of the topics I've already covered, such as deep value stocks, such as Petrobras, Ecopetrol, Tidewater, Rig, and some of the crypto miners such as Riot, Iris Energy. All of those we covered when they were trading much lower than they are today. But you cannot find these stocks weekly. I don't know how some YouTubers are able to do this. I think it's really not possible or feasible, but when I do see a stock in deep value, I'll definitely cover it, or a sector that's inflecting. But you can also expect videos more on the macro outlook and just general market news, etc. And of course we're going to cover the option trading strategy as well. So those are the kind of videos you can expect from this channel kind of more consistently. So today let's cover just like a general update on my portfolio, what stocks I'm holding, etc., and how I'm actually getting on with my option trading journey from 10k to 100k. So let me whack on the glasses because I'm as blind as a bat. Yeah. Okay folks, let me minimize myself. So we're gonna start with the option trading strategy. So I missed a few months, and I missed a few months in making the videos, but I've of course been consistently in the market looking for any income plays. So you'll notice at the bottom I kind of coded the months. So the red ones of course are losing months, and the green ones are winning months. Now you'll notice actually the running current gain for the month of October is 444, but this is kind of misleading actually, because at the end of the month I was actually down $2,923 that month, and that was mainly because of this floating value of the current value of the underlying stocks. So although like right now that month was kind of successful, but I don't base it on that. I base it on what was the final amount at the end of the month. I think that's kind of a little bit more true in per se. But and also this brings in a very important point about the strategy, is that you really need to be quite comfortable in the stocks that you're holding, that they're in a affliction point and that they're in basically a long-term uptrend. So for example, main focus is on the Bitcoin miners at the moment, just because they give so much premium, but they're very volatile. So you should expect to hold them through the downturns, and just realize that, okay, you cannot write any covered calls. The account may go negative, but that's okay, because your longer term outlook is very positive for them, and you'll be able to start writing calls and gaining quite a big premium on them. And we saw this play out perfectly. So October was quite bad. September also, I was down 1,418, and August actually was, I think it was a true negative month, because it has still not gone up. But anyways, we are in now November. So the latest update is that we're positive. This month alone, we were up 1,148 US dollars, and that is primarily all on a premium. So we picked up Rig. I thought Rig was getting bashed quite badly, and the premium was very good. It's a cash secure put. Did get assigned it, but 360, and picked up the stock, which I easily expect to write some really juicy calls on this at the $7 and above mark in the future. And of course, as you can see, Riot and Marathon, etc., have been very good this month. They've all kind of gone up in value. The underlying stock price and the premiums are extremely good. So this month is going quite good, and in general, the whole year so far, I started around February, I'm up 32%, and that's kind of around it's pretty good, but I was kind of wondering how long it would take me to reach 100k at this pace. So this is a income like compounding calculator. So for example, let's say you start with 10,000 and let's say you're making 36. So I'm aiming between 5 to 3% a month. At this point I'm going with the lower end of 3% a month, 3 years. And for me personally, I'm actually supplementing this income account but with 1,000 monthly with my salary. And so we calculate that. So it would take me, at the current rate, it would take me, I don't know, let's just say 2,000, 2 months then. Yeah, that's close enough. So actually it would take me 3 years and 2 months to reach 100k on this account at 36% yearly growth. Now, I do believe that's feasible, and also I do believe that that's actually 3 years sounds about right. Now, of course, 3 years does sound like a long time, and like everyone, you want to see me put 10k and get to 100k like within the year, but I truly feel that is not happening. And yeah, maybe some years I might smash it out the park, but at the moment it will take me 3 years to reach that 100k level. But the amazing thing is, once you do get to that higher levels, you can really start to making some excellent premium. Let's say my account actually gets to 57k, and then monthly, just on 3%, I'll be making 1,642. This is in pounds. So that would be extremely good, and that is my end goal. Basically, my end goal would be try to earn 3k income per month from this kind of strategy. And yeah, that would really determine what the market's doing, etc., and if we find any good plays. So quite happy with how this is going. You will get some down months, and you will get some times where you cannot write it, but if you have quite a good portfolio, I think this strategy works extremely well. So I will be adding to this account as much as I can where I can. So looking at the stocks I'm currently interested in, offshore, just basically buying and forgetting about it. So of course Tidewater, Rig, I may add to Rig, to be honest, especially if it gets below $6. I think $6. I think I will be adding to it. It will bring up my cost basis, but I think it will be worthwhile. Also have Valaris, Noble, and Seadrill. These other ones I'm just monitoring. Bitfarms I have. Bitfarms was actually doing great today. They just upgraded their miners. CleanSpark and Iris. These are my biggest. These are my 3 biggest. These are in the investing long-term account. I did make a video about Wolf, but I have recently changed my mind. This will be a very small play. Probably going to play it through options, to be honest. And Riot Marathon, I'm really using them as a proxy for earning income. And the other one I did pick up, of course, Petrobras and Ecopetrol, I'm holding them, and those are in the pension account. And those I will just completely forget about them and just collect the dividends for like 20 years. And the other ones I would like to put in the pension account is Whitehaven and Tungral Resources. These are coal plays. I think they're going to be quite good on the dividend front. So I'm holding those as well, and that's about it really. So you can see not a lot of stocks I'm holding. I'm monitoring a lot of stocks, but generally not holding them. Maybe next video I will go over some rule sets I have for my trading strategy. I think 32%, 33% is quite good. Let's see if I can keep doing that year on year. Okay, thanks, and see you in the next video.